evaluate public expenditure management policy, as an instrument of fiscal reforms in India. It's a 20 marks question. You have to answer it within 300 words. So, public expenditure management policy is an important instrument of fiscal reforms in India. It refers to the process of planning, allocating, and controlling public expenditure in a way that ensures the public resources are used efficiently and effectively to achieve development objectives. So, this public expenditure management policy, this is an instrument of fiscal reforms. Instrument of fiscal reforms in India. Okay. And what does it do? It refers the process of planning, allocating, and controlling public expenditure. It refers uh, process of planning, allocating, and controlling public expenditure. Okay. So the effective public expenditure management policy is essential for promoting inclusive and sustainable growth, reducing poverty and inequality, and ensuring macroeconomic stability. So, over the years, the government of India has implemented various policies and reforms to improve the public expenditure management. These include first the FRBM Act. So, we will discuss about the government of some policies implemented by GOI. Policies implemented by GOI. Okay. So, in this case, the first policy that was taken by the government, the worth mentioning policy is FRBM or FRBM Act, or you can say it as Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act. Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Money Management Act. This act was passed on 2003, and it aimed to ensure the fiscal discipline and reduce fiscal deficit. It set targets for reducing the fiscal deficit um, and public debt, and established a framework for fiscal management and accountability. Okay. The second policy is taken as that is termed as coined as MTEF, that is medium term expenditure framework. Medium term expenditure framework. That is MTEF. It was introduced in 2006, and the objective was to link budgetary allocations to medium-term expenditure priorities and performance indicators. It provided a framework for aligning budget allocation with the development objectives and improving budgetary predictability and stability. Okay. Now the third policy is taken that by the government of India was performance based budgeting, or PBB. That is performance based budgeting, or BP. This policy was this is our approach that links budget allocation to performance outcomes. It aims to ensure that public resources are collected to activities and programs that are likely to achieve desired outcomes, and that resources are used efficiently and effectively. Another policies that was taken by the government of India was direct benefit transfer, or DBT, direct benefit transfer. Okay, so this was introduced in 2013, and it aims to ensure that the government subsidies and welfare programs reach the intended beneficiaries. It involves transferring subsidies and welfare payments directly to bank accounts of beneficiaries, reducing leakage and ensuring efficient use of public resources. Okay, so let's sum up the entire thing. So overall, the public expenditure management policy has been an effective instrument of fiscal reforms in India. So these policies and reforms have contributed to improved fiscal discipline, enhanced budgetary predictability and stability, and better alignment of budget allocation with development objectives. So, however, there are still challenges that need to be addressed, including improving the efficiency of public spending, changing accountability, and transparency. So there are some challenges, like we can include under this challenge section is improving the efficiency of public spending, improving the efficiency of public spending. Okay, and reducing the leakages and corruption, decrease corruption. Okay, so these continued efforts to strengthen public expenditure management policies and practices will be crucial for achieving inclusive and sustainable growth in India in the near future. So this is the entire solution of the question, and you have to keep in mind the FRBM Act, the MTEF, the PBT, this type of terms. Thank you.